Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change a Google account password on a PC or laptop. So first, simply open your browser and go to the My Account website. So from here, you're then gonna have to make sure you're signed into the Google account that you want to update. Then next, simply click on Security. Then select Password. So you may need to enter your current password to verify your identity. Now simply type in your new password, confirm it and click Change Password. So guys, also make sure your new password is strong and unique to keep your account secure. So after this, your Google account will then use the new password for all devices and services linked to it. And that's it. So that's how to change your password on your Google account. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.